Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a plan with me using this spring floral kit from Lil Bees this week, and I am so excited about this kit because it's super pretty. There are a lot of stickers. These are the washi tapes that I'm using this week. I am pulling in some silver foil. These are the pens that I'm using. This is my usual marking pen. This kit is glossy, and then my Pentel Energel with the tool pen refill inside. All of the shops and products I used will be linked in the description bar below with coupon codes as usual. So I'm going to fast forward through putting down the washi, the date covers, and the glitter headers really quickly, and while I do that, normally I would answer some questions, but this week I do want to talk about the MandyPlans 3-year anniversary bundle because it is pink and mint themed. I have been working on it for a while. I'm so excited for it. There has been some delays, so it was supposed to come out at the end of April. I know it's June now, but it's okay. Everything is finally coming together. I will do a formal video on it, showing the bundle, what's inside, pricing, how many there are, etc. But I just wanted to let you guys know to keep a lookout for that because it is coming very soon, and this week is perfect because it is pink and mint everywhere, and that is exactly the theme of the bundle because it's my favorite. So these glitter headers that I'm putting down are from my shop, Mandy Dreams. It's closed right now because I am prepping for the bundle, which will have sheets from my shop as well as items from other shops featured, which I'm so excited for because they are some of my favorites. And the date dots are from Sesame, and the date covers came with a kit. Going on to the sidebar, the first thing that I did was white out the asterisk and put a heart on top. Then I put down a full box and a washi strip. All of my washi are either from Simply Gilded or from Target. I am using a slice precision cutter to cut the washi. I got this from Amazon. You can also get it at craft stores. Then I put down a this week header with a habit tracker, and I wanted to mark journaling for the week. I also put down a checklist to keep track of some running to-dos. Beneath that, I put down some more washi and another full box heart checklist for my Happy Mail tracking. The Happy Mail sticker came with the kit. Then I'm just going to fill everything out before I move on to Monday. Remember how I said this marker, I bought a bunch of extras and I was going to do something with it in the shop? Well, it's going to be part of a bundle, so that's pretty exciting. On Monday, the first thing I put down was a silver foiled heart checklist from Simply Watercolor Co. for a few things I wanted to get done. I also put some icons next to it, a dishwashing icon from Carolina's Crafts, and a washi icon from Stickers, Washi, and More. Then I wanted to go to the gym. I used a half box with a gym sticker from my shop and a working out Barry the Bear from Grin and Bear It, which is so cute, and that was exactly me. Of course, I had to mark Coffee Monday with a coffee cup that came in the kit, also a label, and I wrote that in. After I go to the gym, I usually like to stretch out or do yoga / both, or both, I mean. So I used a label with a yoga sticker from Moonlight Paper Co. I also wanted to edit that day, so I used a silver flag from Sesame with a silver glitter film slate and an edit sticker, both for my shop. In the evening, I didn't have much going on besides printing and cutting, so I used a washi strip first. This is from Simply Gilded, obviously, and a half box to mark printing and cutting with a munchkin from Once More with Love. Initially, I wanted to put that washi at the top, then I thought I wanted to put it at the bottom, and I had some going back and forth. Finally, I decided to put it at the top. And I also wanted to mark that my sister and her boyfriend came home from Asia that day. Their couple nickname is Latte, which is like the best nickname ever. Now I'm just filling out the sidebar after the day is over. I put down a bow on the full box because I thought it would be really pretty there. This kit came with a lot of bows and I definitely wanted to pull them in. I'm adjusting the spacing there because I thought I had an extra sticker to put down, but I didn't, so just to make it more even. Again, filling in the sidebar before I move on to Tuesday. On Tuesday, the first thing that I put down was a little washi strip. I think that's a header that came with the kit, actually. I put down an insomnia munchkin because I had nightmares the night before. I either had nightmares or had trouble sleeping or both, so that's usually when I mark that. Of course, I had to mark coffee with a coffee cup that came with a kit. My sister, like I mentioned, came back from Asia the day before and she brought back a bunch of goodies, including things to eat. One of them is this ramen called Ichiran ramen, and it's so good. She made some for us for lunch that day, so I wanted to mark that with a ramen sticker from Happy Diet Stickers. I also pulled in a strip of washi to even out the spacing there. It is silver foiled, although I know it's kind of hard to tell the foil sometimes with the lighting. Then I thought it looked too crowded and I decided it would be better for it to be more spaced out. I put down a flag with an emoji, from the Coffee Monsterz Co. eating chocolate because another thing that my sister brought back was a bunch of different flavored Kit Kats. So we had a little Kit Kat tasting, not really a party because it was just the two of us, but it was really fun trying all the different flavors they had. They had like banana and white chocolate raspberry, which was really good. They had like 2 different matcha flavors. What else? Just a bunch of flavors. I can't even think. Oh, red bean. They were all really good. Then I wanted to clean my desk because it was super messy, especially when I haul stuff. So I used a clean desk sticker from Love Shaira over a label. Oh, I also wanted to mark that she brought back onigiri, which is like a triangle of rice, seaweed, and a protein usually from Asia. Like she got it from the 7-Eleven in Taiwan and she brought it back for me to try. So the munchkin is the perfect onigiri sticker to mark that because it is an onigiri and I have always wanted to use it for that purpose, so I definitely had to make room for it. I also wanted to go to Safeway and take the trash out. Safeway is like a grocery store up here in the Bay Area, and I used a grocery cart from Hello Petite Paper. In the evening, I just had to work on the bundle, so I put a full box down, a clipboard that came as part of the deco, and a heart from Clever Gal Crafts to mark that. On Wednesday, the first thing that I put down was coffee, of course. I plan to go to the gym that day, so I put that on a label the exact same way I marked it on Monday, with the berry sticker from Grin & Barrett and a gym text sticker from my shop. I had to pick up some things I ordered online from Joann, so I used a Clever Gal Crafts silver foiled clipboard, which is one of my favorite stickers. It's so cute. As usual, I wanted to stretch and do yoga after going to the gym, so I used a foil washi strip from Scotch brand, a yoga sticker from Moonlight Paper Co, and then to accent that I put a bow that came with the kit. Then I cut up a full box because I didn't need the entire thing. I thought it would look a little too busy, but I did want to mark out the chunk of time that I filmed, so I used a record sticker from my shop. I layered the camera sticker that came with the kit over a circular silver foil kind of decorative sticker from Simply Watercolor Co. I think it's made for layering icons on top. Then I placed some washi down. In the evening, I went out to sushi with my sister and her friend. So I used a sushi munchkin to mark that over a third box. We went to 85 Degrees Bakery for some tea afterwards as our dessert. So I used a flag with a tea sticker that came with the kit as well to mark that. And I didn't like the way that I wrote 85 degrees C on the paper because, the coil always messes me up. So I whited it out and instead wrote it on a little cloud from 2 little sparkles. This shop is unfortunately no longer open, but I thought the cloud was really cute and I don't really use those that often. In the evening, that evening or day in general was kind of rough, so I had a drink in the evening. I used a glittery quarter box from Little Miss Paperie with a drink sticker from My Newest Addiction. Moving on to Thursday, and I have to apologize, please bear with me because the second half of the week is a hot planning mess. As you'll see, a lot of undo, peeling up, moving around the stickers, but the end result turned out well, so yes, please bear with me. I tried lettering because I, had practiced the night before and I was feeling confident, and it really was not a good idea because I can't letter to save my life as per usual, and it looked terrible in my planner. So all the lettering things, or most of it, I ended up peeling back up. But the first thing I lettered was coffee for the day. Well, first I put down a full box because I slept in that day. Then I marked coffee. We had ramen again because that ramen has a quick expiration date, so we wanted to eat it up before it expired. In the afternoon, I wanted to edit. That's actually the second half of the full box that I cut up the previous day, and the monitor sticker is from Little Paper Prints. I got Bubba with Malika that day. Again, didn't like the way that I lettered, so I whited it out and flip-flopped the stickers and the writing around and rewrote it. I went to Whole Foods to pick up some dinner that day. I used a little thing to mark that. Then in the evening, I wanted to paint my nails. Oh, I actually went to Target that day and I didn't mark it, so I'm just going back and putting down a smaller sticker to edit. But before I do that, I'm going to wait for the undo to dry. I wanted to mark painting my nails in the evening, and I wanted to letter it, so I tried lettering nails. It looks okay, but not great, so eventually I just undoed everything. You would think that I would learn my lesson after the first time, but no, I kept doing it even though I was not good at it. So hopefully with practice it'll get better, but it will be a while, I think, before I start lettering in my planner. You know, other people make it look so easy, but it's not. Again, putting down the edit sticker, I used a different variation and I just saved the other one for later that week. The Target shopping cart is from Moonlight Paper Co. Now I'm replacing my paint nail situation down at the bottom with a half box, and I just wrote it in my normal writing and it looks much better. On Friday morning was the PBC sale. It starts at 6 a.m. where I live, so I woke up early to purchase everything that I wanted to purchase, and of course I used the Take My Money munchkin, which is so fitting. My sister and I went to Starbucks in the morning before we drove to pick up my brother from college because it was a 3-day weekend. So I used a Starbucks sticker from Moonlight Paper Co. to mark that. Then I used this pen flag that came with a kit with a heart from Clever Gal Crafts to mark the PenGems new release in the morning. Then I used a Happy Munchkin screaming yay to mark that we picked up my brother from college. I was so excited because I missed him a lot and he was going to be home for the entire weekend basically. So the three of us went to get a sushi lunch at our favorite sushi restaurant. I replaced the coffee lettering sticker with a coffee break sticker from Paper Blush Bar because I couldn't do the lettering. Especially with this kit, which is so gorgeous, from Lil Bees, I wanted to do it justice. This sushi sticker is from Once More With Love as well. On the way back, there was so much traffic. It was so annoying, so I used this kind of angry driver from the Coffee Monsterz Co. to mark that. When I got back, I did edit, so that sticker that I used earlier, or like group of stickers from the previous day, I decided to put there instead. I pulled out a bow to cover up the fact that I didn't cut the full boxes straight, so there was a little gap there. Then I put down this bow checklist from Simply Watercolor Co. It's also silver foiled. This girl with a pink bun and the clipboard and her phone is from Sadie Sticker. She's super cute. In the evening, I wanted to do laundry, so I used a label with a towel sticker from One Orange Snowflake. And I'm adjusting some icons around so that it'll fit. I also wanted to pull in this Love Boat washi that I had made. This is for the bundle coming up as well. It's super cute. It's pink and mint, and I definitely wanted to pull it into the spread because of the colors. Then on Saturday morning, I slept in a little, so I used this deco that came with a kit. Saturday was exciting because Jessica, my glitter sister, J. Crew Plans, opened her digital shop and everything was gorgeous, so I definitely wanted to remember that and to pick up some stuff. Then I put down a washi strip, which I end up removing because I had a lot going on Saturday. I wanted to mark everything, so I peeled it up to move to Sunday, and instead I put down a third box because my family went out for dim sum that day, so I used some dim sum stickers from Wonton in a Million. Then we went to 85 degrees afterwards for some tea. Thankfully, the deco sheet that I bought, like the extra one, had a bunch of tea and coffee cups on there, so I just pulled those in and it matched really well with the spread, obviously. In the afternoon, I made stuff with the digitals I bought from Jessica's shop, including this Mischief Managed sticker. I thought it was kind of perfect because it was like I made these things like Mischief Managed, you know what I mean? It was just my excuse to use the sticker, and I used a heart from Clever Gal Crafts because I love it so much. We went to Total Wine and More to buy some alcohol on that day, like wine and beer and stuff. So I used a Screw It wine munchkin over a flag. In the evening, I used this clipboard full box and put a bow in the center top. I had some beer that day, the Cali Crewman, which is my favorite. This beer sticker is from EricaGDesigns. Nordstrom was having their buy two mascaras, get one free, so I used a Treat Yourself sticker from Viv Loves to Plans collab with Simply Watercolor Co next to Clever Gal Crafts Heart. We also booked some travel on Saturday evening. I used a book hotel sticker from the travel sheet from Love Shaira. On Sunday, the first thing that I put down in the morning was a full box. Then I put down this label that I cut up from the washi strip. We had like a family going out to Korean barbecue thing in the morning for lunch. So I used a Korean barbecue sticker from Happy Daya with a family time sticker from Moonlight Paper Co. I wanted to use this washi that I had cut up, so I placed it at the top of the full box. Then we had boba afterwards because it was right nearby, and I used a Banana Doodle Shop boba sticker, which is my current favorite, as you guys know. I also edited when I got home, and I used another edit and glittery film slate from my shop. I was feeling really tired at that point, so I made a coffee before I went to the gym, and the Need coffee sticker from Paper Blush Bar is perfect. I went to the gym in the afternoon, so I marked it the same way as I did previously, but instead of using a half box, I used 2 headers to make it look like a cohesive half box because I had to make room for the glitter header. In the evening, we had family hot pot, which was really fun. So I used a hot pot sticker from Happy Daya. Yeah, there was a lot of family time this weekend because my brother was home. At the end of the night, I used a wine sticker from Fox and Cactus next to a wind down sticker from Little Miss Paperie. I had to mark a few more things I needed to do, so I used this charging sticker next to a silver flag from Sethavi. The charging sticker is from Lily Henry because I needed to charge my car. Now I'm just filling everything out. Here is the finished spread. Let me show you guys what stickers I have left. I will be saving this actually to do a leftover kit plan with me, so unfortunately it won't go in my usual monthly giveaway, but instead I'll have a D-Stash full kit there for you instead. I love the way that this spread turned out. I love these colors. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.